Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do Brazil skills. To begin, focus on developing a strong connection with the ball. These techniques, often seen in professional play, emphasize close control and quick changes of direction. We'll cover foundational elements first, then move to specific, easy-to-learn moves that will elevate your game. Mastering basic ball control is crucial for any Brazilian skill. Focus on keeping the ball incredibly close, ideally within 12 inches of your feet, using light, quick touches. Practice with both the inside and outside of your foot, constantly changing direction. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to dribbling drills. This consistent practice builds the necessary muscle memory and confidence. The elastico, or flip-flap, is a classic Brazilian move. Start by pushing the ball slightly out with the outside of your dominant foot. Immediately and very quickly, pull the ball back in with the inside of the same foot. The key is to make it one fluid, deceptive motion, tricking your defender into thinking you're going one way before changing direction. The sombrero flick is an advanced but achievable skill. With the ball slightly in front, roll it up your leg using the sole of one foot. As it reaches your thigh, flick it up and over your opponent's head. This move requires excellent timing and a soft touch to execute successfully, allowing you to bypass a defender cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.